my name is Sharon. I grew up in Essex. I lived in Vermont all of my life. And for the last 3.5 years, I've been a bus driver for Essex Westford School District. Driving a bus isn't an easy job, but I really love it. And I really care about the students I drive every day. That's why I want to share some important information about school bus safety. And I've invited a couple of friends to help. Hey there, come on board.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Ava, and I'm a senior at Essex High School. To be honest, I never really thought about school bus safety, but the more I learned about it, the more I understood. It's kind of a big deal.
Hi, I'm Macy. I'm a senior at Essex High School. In the past, I probably wasn't the best about obeying rules on the bus, but Sharon and I talked it over and now I get it. It's about everyone staying safe, but it's also about everyone feeling good about the time they spend on the bus. I can get behind that and I hope you can too.
First things first, let's talk respect. When you're on the bus, respect other students and the bus driver. Here are some ways you can show you mean it.
Stay in your assigned seat. Once you sit down, stay in your seat until it's time to get off the bus. Moving from seat to seat during the ride can be unsafe. If the driver has to make an unexpected stop, somebody could get hurt, and nobody wants that.
Follow the bus driver's directions. The bus driver's main priority is to drive safely and keep everyone safe.
I don't tell people to do something for no reason. Anytime I give directions, I am trying to make sure everyone stays safe and feels respected. And remember, bus drivers are people too. We'd like to feel respected, just like you.
Next, remember to respect everyone's personal space. Keep your arms and legs to yourself. Don't touch, hit, or push other people. Don't wrestle or roughhouse. It's disruptive and can be dangerous.
That football game. They lost. The Bills lost to the
Could
Chiefs.
you keep it down a little bit, please? Remember to use your inside voice. And when you do speak, use appropriate language and kind words.
Please don't eat or drink on the bus. It can make a big mess, but even more important, it can be super dangerous to people with food allergies. Even tiny particles of food in the air can cause someone to have a bad reaction.
Remember to keep your belongings close by and the aisles of the bus clear. In case of an accident or emergency, we may need to get off the bus quickly. If there's stuff in the aisles, that can be a big problem.
Let's talk safety.
Here's how you can keep yourself and others safe on the bus. First of all, more about seating. Sit safely and face the front. Don't block the aisles with your hands or your feet. Turning around or lying down during the bus ride can be unsafe, so stay vertical and face the front. When it's time to get off the bus, wait until the bus stops moving before standing up. A sudden stop or a loss of balance can mean you hurting yourself or somebody else. Nobody wants to wear you in their lap.
We all love technology, but use it responsibly. Remember, taking photos or videos of other students on the bus is not allowed.
Use headphones, but keep the volume low enough so you can still be aware of your surroundings and hear important announcements from the bus driver.
Warning, a rabbit animal just got on the bus.
What? Huh.
Now let's talk about boarding and exiting the bus.
When waiting for the bus, stand a safe distance away from the road and make sure you are visible to the bus driver. 10 feet or 3 giant steps back is best.
When you board the bus, be sure to use the handrail because the stairs can be slippery, and it helps you keep your balance.
Exit the bus in a single file line, use the handrail, and be careful of traffic around the bus. If you're crossing the street, follow the bus driver's directions before crossing. When you're off the bus, make sure you're at least 10 feet or 3 giant steps back. And never walk next to the bus as it is driving away. The driver should be able to see you at all times. If you drop something close to the bus, do not attempt to retrieve it. Get the driver's attention so they can help you as safely as possible. So remember, the bus is a place where everyone can stay safe and feel respected. That was really fun, Sharon. Maybe next time we can drive.
No.
Come on, why can't we?
Not at all, no.
This forest that there's a beaver, wild beaver named Jet.
No,
I haven't heard there's any beavers.